We're bartenders, by the way. I don't think we ever said that.
We don't need to talk about that.
Okay.
Do we?
Maybe it'll make our drinks add
A little more legit.
A little credibility to our drink making skills.
Cheers!
Right? That's what we do?
Yeah, that's what we do. Today we're drinking.
Today we're drinking.
Today we're drinking.
What are we gonna call it? Gin, Jamaica,
Jalapeno.
spicy hibiscus, pineapple,
Spicy hibiscus punch.
Sure.
Okay. Cheers!
Cheers! Today we're drinking spicy hibiscus punch.
If you want to drink along with us, the recipe will be in a video that is linked down below.
We also have a non-alcoholic recipe if you don't want alcohol in your drink.
I feel like this might go down a little too fast though.
Yeah. You want to talk about makeup?
No. Just kidding.
What else would we talk about? I can't think of anything.
I can't either. Let's just talk about makeup.
Okay.
I think that we bought a lot of the same things.
This week. Yeah, I have a feeling. I got something you didn't get though. I got you a birthday present. Happy birthday!
I forgot about this.
You did.
Shut up. Shut up.
I have had this in my house for 2 months.
Shut up.
And I didn't even swatch it. I opened it and looked at it about 1,000 times.
Sarah got me the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. Thank you. This is the best.
Can you see?
Oh my gosh, they're so soft. Okay, you can touch that.
I'll let you swatch the whole thing before I touch it.
This is crazy.
That's
This is
silver.
crazy.
That silver's crazy. Okay.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Swatch it.
Yes.
I like barely touched it
I
at
know.
all.
I'm gonna have to go redo my makeup.
Okay.
Okay? Hold please. I'm so excited.
I see this peeking out of your bag.
It is.
And I got it too. And that is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. Have you used it yet?
I'm wearing it right now.
How do you feel about it?
I like it a lot.
I like it too. I think it's a little more full coverage than I normally like. And you gotta like work quickly with it. A little bit goes a really long way.
Yeah, I was like, I'll just start with this little pump and then I didn't need any more.
Yeah. What shade do you have?
I have 0.5.
I have 3.25. I love how they number their foundations. I cannot handle it when foundations are like buttercream, nude beige, sand beige,
Breeze.
light beige. What the fuck is Breeze?
Breeze is not a color.
Can't you just call one of them light neutrals and then I don't have to open them all and put them all on me to figure out which one it is? I love the Urban Decay numbering systems.
0.5s are pink.
The 0.0s are warm, and then the 0.25s are neutral. Fucking sand beige. What is that?
Shell. That's, everybody has shell.
Shell.
Shell is not one color.
That drives me insane. What are you talking about?
I don't remember. I got these. These are Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner, and I have an Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner. So this one I put on my waterline, and these are obviously lip liners. These are so nice and so convenient because I don't like pencil liners. I don't like having to find a sharpener and they go dull.
Like every time you use it.
The way these work is there's a sharpener in the cap. It's a twist cap and you just twist it an extra time and it sharpens the tip. So they're always sharp, hence the name. I got Figgy, Crimson, and Nude Medium, and there are a bunch of colors, so I love these.
Something I'm really excited to try, which is blue lipstick. This is the Urban Decay Vice lipstick in Heroine, like the female hero, not like the drug. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited. This is the summer of like blue and green and black lipstick for me.
venturing out into the crazy colors.
I'm doing it. I have the black lipstick. It looks awesome, but it makes my teeth look gray, like gray. I could wear the black lipstick, but I just couldn't open my mouth, you know, or like talk like this. It's pretty intense. Like I've been eating licorice. And there's another Vice one, the green one. I don't know what it's called. They have it at Sephora. It's a Sephora exclusive one.
This is life-changing. Heart-shaped tape, life-changing.
I want it, but they're out of light.
You need to get it.
They're out of light everywhere. I'm swatching it.
I got the last fair. I love it. I love it. It's so high coverage.
Really?
So pigmented. And you don't need a lot, and seriously, it doesn't really crease. Ooh, what's that?
I got the Pixi Glow Tonic. It's a glycolic acid toner. I knew I wanted to try that, and they have a little sample set that's like the Glow Tonic, Glow Mud Cleanser, I think it's called, and the Glow Mud Mask. I wasn't crazy about the mask or the cleanser, but I really like the toner.
It's good stuff. Pineapple.
Go pineapple.
I better catch up.
Yeah, this is my second one too. You're already one behind me.
I think it's time to pause for refills.
Let's get refills.
Hold please.
Oh, please.
Get it together. Get it together.
Are you just gonna do it with all that eyeliner in your lap?
Yeah.
Should I just wear the sunglasses for the whole second half of this video?
I think so. Cheers.
We do have umbrellas in our drinks.
Cheers to the
The
sunglasses.
sunglasses.
Whew. I just put the gin right on top.
The
there.
second one is always stronger.
Second one is always stronger.
Third one. I don't think I should really wear the sunglasses.
I mean, you do you.
So these are the new Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Liner. I got these two.
I got these 5. I was so excited for these.
I'm wearing this one, Fireball. Do you think that these are different from their old formula?
Yes, I think they wear better. I have pretty much every color of the old formula.
I have a lot of the old formula.
And I like them a lot. But after a while, they would start to crack and peel. So that was definitely a problem with these. Deep End, I wore all day yesterday. And it lasted. It was solid. It was still going strong when I washed my face last night.
Good. Love to hear that.
Yeah, so
this is my first day wearing this, so we'll see.
I love that Urban Decay has such unique colors.
I like bright colors.
Yeah, I like to be able to wear a pop of color on my eyeliner, so I really appreciate Urban Decay and the color selections.
Yes,
that they
in
have.
all of their products.
In everything that they do.
Yeah. Okay, so Stila, okay, these are, okay, my, okay.
Sorry. Okay.
Can I continue? I've recently found a new favorite, which I'll show you. But previous to that, I had a team of eyeliners that were my go-to. This Ico Skinny Liquid Black Eyeliner. It's a really fat tip. I would like draw it all on with this because it's so easy because it's really firm. Then I always do the very end of it with the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner because it's so pointy. But I can't do my whole eyeliner with this because I make too many mistakes because it's too flexible, too bendy. It's so hard putting stuff in your favorites that like you just got. But this is the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen, the one they just came out with. Or they had this before, but they like
It was called Ink for Eyes.
Okay, so they redid it. So this is super pointy like the Stila one, but it's firm and I can do my whole eye with it. So it's like magic. Like I've never found one eyeliner that does both of those things. So, you know, when you're doing your eyeliner and you're like, oh, this isn't going very well. And then you're like, oh, okay, I can fix it. Every time I do my eyeliner, I feel like that. But this, every time I put it on, I'm like, oh, all right. Okay. I guess that, okay.
Go about your day.
This looks good. All right, we'll stick with this. It's been life-changing for me.
Pause.
Pause.
Kat Von D is next. The
Ooh,
hands.
jalapeno.
I have the ink liner. I think all three of these are ink liner. I wish that they had some more colors because the colors they have are really pretty, but they don't have that many. Nietzsche. I like this one a lot. Trooper is the black, and then this one is Nerdrum.
Okay.
These are felt tippy kind of guys. I don't know that you would like these because they are kind of flexible.
Yeah, too bendy.
They go on nice, they wear nicely. I just wish they had like a little crazier colors. I mean, it's Kat Von D. They can get some.
Well, that's what Urban Decay is for.
That is what Urban Decay is for. But I really like these in general. So, there.
Okay, get it together, Sarah. This is the Tartist Clay Paint Liner. I love this stuff. I like gel liner. Gel liners to me are pretty interchangeable. They're all pretty similar. This is totally different. It's just like in a little squeeze tube, and then it's got this like flat part you squeeze it out onto and then use a brush. It reminds me of tempera paint. Like, remember from grade school? It dries down really matte and feels almost like a powder. Your turn.
So, okay. Okay. My last one is the Makeup Forever Aqua Liner. I like these. I think what I like the most is the applicator. It's a felt tip on a wand.
Let me see.
I like that because that's really firm, and then you can get.
Oh, I like this.
So I think that's why it goes in my favorites, is just the applicator alone. Number 3 is my favorite one because it's like this olivey green. I just really like the way that looks on me anyway. So there we go. Cheers. Cheers.
Is that it?
Thanks for hanging out with us. See you next week. We'll get it together someday, right?
We'll get it together.
I promise.
Eventually.
This is terrible.
Anyway. Cheers.
Cheers.
My drink's empty.
Are we done?
I think so.